Hello student, today I will tell you about the past tense, all the forms of the past tense I will tell you. In the first I will tell you how do you use the past tense in the different forms in different tense, continuous, perfect tense and perfect continuous. Logically some things which can be very able to understand, such as this is a subject you, and this is did, this is fly, first form of the main verb, this is the kite. What condition in the affirmative sentence? You, affirmative sentence, did will place here. So there will be you flew the kite. This is the affirmative condition of the sentences in the past tense, in different tense. Okay, now student, that is very simple method to understand. Suppose this sentence become negative, so you will reuse there in place of flew, you did not fly. Okay, na? Because did, if it will place with the main verb, then the main verb will be changed into the second form. Otherwise, if the did will use with the sentence, then the main verb will become in the first form. That is a very simple method. Suppose you want to change the sentence into the interrogative, so what will be the sentence? Very simple method. Did will come before you. Did you fly the kite? Okay, na? This is a mark of interrogation. So did will come and fly, the main verb, the first form, they will come continuously in the interrogative sentences. If you want to make the interrogative negative sentence, did you not? Not will come there. That is simple method. This is the indefinite tense. Okay, na? Then continuous tense, was or were. Then you will use there you were flying the kite. Okay, na? Very simple method, because in continuous tense is in the past tense. Always the verb will come in the main verb in the first form. Okay, na, student? If you want to make it negative, then obviously not will come there. If you want to make it negative, verb will come in before the you. This is the you is subject, and so many methods can be applied there. In perfect tense, where you will use the helping verb had, then you had fly. This is the main verb first form, where you have to change it into the third form, flown. Flown the kite. Very important thing, this is the affirmative sentence. You want to make it a negative sentence, then you have not to change. Only the you have to bring the not. You had not flown the kite. Flown will, as it is in the negative sentence. If you make it as a negative sentence from the affirmative sentence, okay na? That is very important thing. And if you want to make it the interrogative sentence, then had will come before the you. Had you, when interrogative negative, had you not flown the kite. This is a perfect tense. Then perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense where we will use the helping verb had been. Okay, na? So how do you use it? How do you apply it? You had been flying the kite. You had been flying the kite. This is the affirmative sentence. Negative sentence. Look at there. You had not been. The changes are there. Flying the kite. If you want to say the time here, you can apply the time since or for. Since for point of time, for period of time. Okay, now student, that is simple method. Then tenses must be used in a very proper way so that use meaning of the sentence could not be changed. Otherwise, if you are using the wrong pattern or the wrong method of the tenses, then obviously the meaning will be different there and you will not get the good marks. So you have to keep it very clearly. Then apply this method. This is the kind of formula which you can apply in every tenses. Now